Hello, this is Dr. Priyanka Thakre from Neuroskin Hair and Laser Clinic, and today our topic is how humid weather, especially in Mumbai, affects our hair health and scalp. So, if you live in Mumbai, you must have seen your hair often feels greasy, oily, messy, no matter what you do. Have you ever wondered why? It's because Mumbai is coastal city, and usually the humidity in Mumbai ranges from 70 to 90%. So, because of the humid weather, our hair and scalp often is always moist. Firstly, let's talk about how this weather, humid weather, affects our hair shaft, which is this. So, usually, if we talk, our hair is porous like a sponge. So, water molecules from air get trapped in hair shaft, making it frizzy, very vulnerable and easy for breakage and also split ends. If you have wavy hair, it makes it frizzy, puffy, and if you have fine and straight hair, it makes it flat, greasy, oily. In humidity, the hair cuticle is lifted above, which makes it more prone to damage and breakage. Secondly, we'll talk about what humid weather does to our scalp. Humidity makes your scalp produce more sweat and it produces more sebum, making our hair more prone for acne, dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, clogged pores, and different problems like itching, redness. So, what all precautions we can take for us to protect ourselves from this humidity is we can wash our hair regularly with clarifying shampoos. Avoid using heavy creams on your scalp. You can condition your hair ends with conditioner or hair masks. You can use microfiber towels and don't use any rough towels to wipe your hair. While going out, tie your hair loosely. Scalp hygiene is the key. Mumbai's humid weather is not going anywhere. So it's just you have to take good care of your scalp. Keep your scalp clean and your hair will thank you.